2022 was a hard year for the restaurant industry. Labor shortages, inflation, and rising customer expectations have all challenged an industry still reeling from COVID-19. So it's interesting to see where restaurant operators have found success and how that could continue to evolve in 2023.
Everyone saw through the pandemic a big transition of restaurants needing to sell online, needing to sell delivery in order to survive. So there's a huge surge, I guess, in delivery and online or e-commerce for restaurants in the last few years. What we're seeing now is that surge is not going away.
Noah Hayes is a general manager of Deliverect's US and Canada operations. Deliverect sells a platform that helps restaurants to manage all aspects of the ordering and delivery process. It's a type of solution that restaurants are increasingly investing in to meet their online demands. Noah, thanks for your time today. I want to start with the research that Deliverect conducted on the modern consumer. How have consumers' expectations changed as food delivery becomes more common?
What's really, I guess, important for restaurants to know is that, these consumers that are still spending on food to go are also more fickle than ever, and their expectations are higher than ever on the restaurant and on that food. Our survey actually from earlier this year pointed out that when someone has a frustrating experience ordering from an app or from a website, a restaurant's website, they didn't order from that restaurant again 1/3 of the time, or even a quarter of the time they leave a bad review. And so, while it represents a big opportunity for restaurants, it's also, raising the bar for how the restaurant needs to deliver on all this food to go.
So what are some of the ways that restaurants can use technology to address those deal breakers like speed of delivery and quality?
Restaurants can actually build out communication systems with couriers, right? Deliverect even has pickup screens that could face couriers to let them know when the item's ready for pickup. And QR codes that can bring them to a page to update a courier when the item's ready for pickup. The second big piece that popped out to me was handling incorrect orders or any sort of errors in the order that gets to the customer. But there's a huge opportunity for error that can be eliminated by automating those orders to the POS into the kitchen.
And how does Deliverect's solution differ from others on the market?
Deliverect stands out from its competitors in really three key areas. The first, we're the most global. So Deliverect works with restaurants in 40 countries. We work with over 300 ordering and POS partners. The second big area of differentiation is in our quality of integration. So everything that Deliverect builds is in signed partnership with the integrated party. We build directly to those partners, so we're never using another middleware to hook into a point of sale system or a delivery app. And we have a really high bar for certification or for an integration. And then the third area of differentiation is a big focus on menus. And so Deliverect will enable the restaurant to manage its menus for all of its third-party and first-party ordering from one place, but also further than that, optimize menus across all these channels. Restaurants are increasingly now also trying virtual brands and breaking out sort of more creative pieces of their menu. So Deliverect is a platform that would allow the restaurant to run these kinds of tests and optimize their menu to really drive as much revenue as possible.
All right, well, thanks so much for your time today. Interesting things to keep in mind as we prepare for the new year. So for all of those watching at home, if you're interested in learning more about Deliverect's research, check out dealbreakers.com, and of course, stick with Nation's Restaurant News for more coverage like this. Till next time, I'm Diana Blass.